Today, I'm going to teach you how to change background and to add text on the picture using Adobe Photoshop application. First, open the Adobe Photoshop application. Then to insert a picture, click File. Then click Open. Choose the photo going to edit. After choosing the picture, click the rectangular marquee tool. Select the whole picture. Then click the Paint Bucket tool. And then click again the surface of the picture you want to change the background color. After that, we're going to erase the text of the picture by the use of the eraser tool. Then, we're going to use again the rectangular marquee tool. Same procedure like we used a while ago. Then, we will going to add a text. Just click the horizontal type tool, then type the word garden. As you can see, we can edit the size, the font style of the text. That's the procedure on how to change background and to add text on the picture. That's all. Thank you.